welcome to my show. Okay, so today we're gonna experiment with some vegan sushi. So what you're gonna first have to get are your nori, which is the seaweed wraps. Get some short grain white rice and all the vegetables that you want to put inside. So like avocado, carrots, cucumber, or some tofu if you want that. So get all your things and we'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I have cut up the vegetables. As you can see, they're like matchsticks. So I have cucumbers and carrots. I also have to do the avocado, and the rice is boiling on the stove, my short grain rice. Okay, so continue with that, and I'll see you back. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so it turns out that I don't have any avocado, so we're just going to make do with the carrots and the cucumber. So my rice is made. My rice is here, and I have my sheet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the rice all over the sheet, and then we're going to add the vegetables. But I'll show you about that in just a second. So go ahead and get your stuff set up. Put your rice on your sheet. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So we have started. Christian told me that I was actually doing it the hard way. So instead of cutting small matchstick size pieces, you just cut them like this size so that you can just lay them on like this. The carrots and the cucumber and the avocado. You can just make basically like 2 lanes going in instead of all the tiny little small ones. But either way, it works, and this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to put your rice on the nori, and then you're going to put all your vegetables out, and then we'll show you how to roll coming up next. Thank you. Okay, so this is us just rolling it. Here's a tip. Get your hands wet with cold water. It makes it a little easier. Okay, so here's our roll. And then now what you're going to do is just cut across, and you're going to have all your pieces. Good toppings are going to be soy sauce, or if you want to make a homemade sriracha, just use vegan mayonnaise and sriracha sauce. If you also want to dip it in like some sweet chili sauce and have wasabi on it too. Okay, well, we'll see you next time. Thank you. Hope your food is great.